Update. How's everybody doing? All right, some announcements or an announcement that I have to make. Maybe some new developments in the works, okay? What am I alluding to? Well, some slowdown in the rate of spending flows. We're still up, very strongly year over year, and that's the important thing, but the rate of spending is slowing down. Now, this could be temporary. We'll find out some more information tonight when the data comes out on the daily treasury statement, or it might have to do with something a little bit more structural, okay? And then what do you have to do? Well, in order to find that out, if you haven't already gotten your 30-day free trial of my report, MMT Trader, please do so, because it's all going to be in there. And it's not just the report. I send out emails whenever I see something to subscribers, or if you have a 30-day free trial, you'll get an email from me telling you you need to do this or you need to do that based on what I see coming out of these flows. And nobody else is doing this, okay? Nobody's analyzing these flows like I am, putting charts and graphics in the report. I have a database on all the daily treasury statement data going back for years and years. So I crunch the numbers, I analyze it, I can see what's going on, okay? So go to www.pitbulleconomics.com and click on the tab that says products and get your 30-day free trial to the MMT Trader. I mean, there's nothing like this out there, and it will help you immensely. Now, on a different subject, something fun actually, just letting you know, when I compile the MMT Trader report, I like to scan through the headlines. It's just a good way of kind of getting a snapshot of sentiment, all right? And I was scanning through the headlines today, and I came up with some old headlines, not really that old, just going back to February 11th, and I'm going to show you these headlines because they're really incredible. So these were some headlines that I clipped out from February 11th. Here, let me zoom in on them. You could see that. It says, "Chaos on Wall Street. Here's what you need to know. It's official. Global stocks are in a bear market." And the last one, "Investors are incredibly pessimistic about the stock market." So you see, those were the headlines on February 11th. Now, you may recall that on February 12th, the very next day, I did a video right here on my channel saying, buy, buy, buy. They were all selling. And I was telling you to buy because I had been looking at the flows, and that was the day right after when we got the huge IRS tax refund. If you recall, I was really concerned that the IRS tax refunds were not going out, and those are critical, fiscal injections at that time of the year, February, and they weren't going out. I got, I was concerned, and all of a sudden, boom, a big one, a 40 billion went out. And when I saw that, I knew everything was getting back on track. So, all these guys were telling you to sell and telling you it was a bear market back on February 11th, and I was telling you to buy aggressively. Go look at the video, okay? On my channel right here. You're not going to get better information than that. Sorry. Anyway, new developments, all right? Which could affect everything, could affect stocks, could affect gold, could affect the dollar, could affect bonds. By the way, just want to mention, all right, 10-year Treasury now at the highest level interest rate-wise in about a month. Now, that's the one call, and I'll admit when I'm wrong, that's the one call I've been saying that rates are going to go up because the Fed is going to, the Fed will raise rates again. So we're starting to see that creep back up. But again, new developments. I cannot underemphasize that. You got to get the report. Get the MMT Trader report, www.pitbulleconomics.com. Click on the tab that says products and get the report. They were all selling. We were buying. If you were following me, we were buying February 11th. All right? Go see where the market was back then. The Dow was over 2,000 points lower than where it is right now. All right, that's all MMT. All right, see you later. Bye.